Thanks, Collin. Ben oui, ben oui, ben oui. Oh, il va chanter à la board. De quel côté on laisse la board? Oh, c'est attrapé. All right. L'action est trouvée. Emma Kawada.
On est prêt. We're ready. Montréal!
Big five.
Yeah, Ronnie.
Yeah, Ronnie's got a big bag of difficult tricks like this one right there, frontside rodeo 540. Getting the lip trick on the backside, lip side, 10 seconds, Ronnie. Montreal, what do you think of Ronnie Gomez right here? Look at him go. Kickflip burial, 360 coming in backwards. Now it's gonna be time for Ronnie Gomez. Make some noise for Ronnie.
Wow.
Ronnie, sure he got the switch heel flip in there. That's after time, so yeah, he's gonna try and get that switch heel flip in there. One of the big things that got him in the finals.
All right. It's gonna be hard for the judges. Ça va être difficile pour les juges. On a une finale tout feu, tout flamme. Ça n'a pas de sens, le level de skating. Ça, c'était Ronnie Gomez du Brésil. On attend que les juges compilent les résultats. Le prochain s'est lancé. He's one of my favorite guys around. And he's focused.
There's a glare on the computer.
Can't see.
We're doing live scoring right now on theborder.com. THE border, like skateboarder, without the ER. It's board with an R.
Collin Graham! Let's go, my G!
Here we go. Collin starting off with a big ollie, the 10-foot gap to lip slide. Kickflip to fakie. Fakie to fakie, 540 right there. And they call that the low-C grind, fakie to low-C grind. Flipping the front side. He's only done that trick once in his life, the kickflip lead 360, very difficult trick. 540 right there. A couple months ago in the World Cup skateboarding competition in Prague, Czech Republic. Alley-oop heel flip over the 10-foot gap. Yeah, that's all right. He's a champion from World Cup. Make some noise, Victor Salamonde.
Montréal pour Izuru Nagahara!
Oh, this guy right here qualified in the number 5 position. Such smooth style. Look how huge. The judges like to see guys go high on the ramp, and this guy is one of the highest blasters that you're going to see. Look at that. That's a dangerous trick when your feet leave your board like that. Put it back under Japanese riders. Something's going on in Japan. The girls Japanese riders are amazing on the VERT as well. And you see a big surge of Japanese riders right now.
Something in the water for sure.
All right.
Up next, Montréal, Soya Inomata!
Speaking of Japanese riders, rolls right into the front of 540. He qualified 4th, just one away from the podium. He wants to get on the podium. Kickflip with a varial. Board does a 180 as long as a flip trick. Big 540, big 360 varial. Big tricks right there. Body varial 540 right there. Front side 360. And there is a big body joint there. 5 seconds left. 1, and that is time right there for Soya Inomata. Yeah, make some noise for him. He's hyped up on that run. I'm hyped. He made his run. 3 guys fell. So now we have another. We have 2 good runs so far. Let's keep the rhythm going. The top 3 qualifiers are coming up next. The judges always need a moment after a big run. Let them take a moment and get it right.
And it's always the same thing, the same strategy. Land one line and then improve it.
You're very right. Can you say that in French for the people they understand?
Le but des athlètes, c'est de réussir le premier run et ensuite d'améliorer le run pour impressionner les juges. Pour le moment, on retourne à la rampe avec Pietro Nunez.
This kid came out to Mississauga and jumped up on the podium. Big tricks like that, heel flip right there. Crazy Brazilian style skateboard right here. Backside ollie, no grab over the channel. Right there, a couple burial tricks right there, born doing the 180. There's a body barrel. Body barrel again. And another Indy 540. Wow, got it going on. Steelfish 540. 3, 2, 1, that's time right there. Make some noise for Pietro Nunez.
Dave, what an air show, what an air show, what an air show.
So much difficulty. You see how many times the board left his feet? Board burials, body barrels, flip. But we have a moment right now because standing on top of the rolling right now is the champion from 2024 Montreal Jackalope. He's here to defend it. Yeah, in Mississauga, he was also the champion a couple months ago in July. Are you ready for one of the best skaters on the Jackalope Tour? JD, take it away.
JD Sanchez!
JD, he's got the same name as you.
JD,
calling out JD. Come on, Montreal, stay with this kid. Big alley-oop with the burial mixed in there. Beautiful lean air, just like the poster. Body burial 540. Big flip trick right there. There you go, smacking down the Madonna. That's a Tony Hawk trick. Kicking the foot off there. Look at this, kick flip body barrel 540. Big trick right there. 5 seconds left for JD.
I'm here.
And that's gonna be time. Make some noise for JD Sanchez. Perfect first run.
Yeah, JD. Yeah, JD.
Hey. Yeah, JD. Yeah, JD. Hey.
It's a JD.
My favorite drink is Jack. Montreal, are you ready?
Get ready for Emma Kawakami!
Who wants to see a 900? There you go. Tony Hawk invented that trick 27 years ago. Kickflip body barrel 540. This is why he is the #1 ranked rider right now. Big 540 there. Indy 540 there. 3, 2, one more time. Make some noise for Emma. 720 Figgy.
A 5, a 7, a 900. What else do you want?
Aiming backwards, land forward. To do it backwards like that is much more difficult.
Beaucoup plus difficile à lander vu qu'on atterrit à l'envers si on veut. Donc, sur son dernier truc ici en 720, 2 rotations complètes, c'est assez intense. C'était nos 8 athlètes en finale. Dave, we're going back to the top of the order now. Back to the top of the order with Ronnie Gomez.
Coming off the big roll into a huge 540 McTwist. Back to back with a melon grab, backside 540. 2 different grabs there. Different difficulty variety. Indy 540, that's 3 540 so far for Ronnie Gomez. Big frontside rodeo 5, that's 4 540 so far. 4 540, 10 seconds already. Heel flip frontside. That's all right, he's got 2 more runs to go. Makes a noise for Ronnie Gomez.
Le prochain s'est lancé. He's gonna put it together, I believe. One of the best dude at Jackalope Fest, Collin Graham. His own fan club, Derek Scott.
Right over the channel, the front side lip slide, kickflip Indy Faggy. Here comes a Faggy to Faggy 540 with a backside grab, that's typical one. Up into The kickflip lean 360. He's done it. Second one of his life ever. Big trick for Collin Graham right there. Big cab heel. Indy 540. And a frontside rodeo 540. And that's time for Collin Graham. Collin Graham!
Wow. Collin Graham, my G. Oh my God. Montréal.
Hey, JD, real quick. I saw Collin try the kickflip. Kickflip front center is very difficult. Alex Perlson, one of the only other people that does a kickflip lean. Then he's trying 360. I've never seen him try. I'm like, what is that? He said, Dave, I've only made one in my life. He wanted to show up like Tony Hawk used to come with a new trick every year. He just did the second one of his life right there. Kickflip lean 360. No pros are doing that. No one else doing that trick. Congratulations, Collin Graham. Taking the risk, big reward. Judges ready? All right, let's keep it going. We got a contest going now, JD. Let's go.
All right, Victor Salmonde.
Copenhagen, Denmark, coming down the Haritos rolling right now. All you Indy. There's a big melon 540 backside. Back to back with a late ollie tail grab. Big alley-oop heel flip over the 10-foot channel. Kick flip Indy. And a tail grab 5. That's the stylish way to do the 540, the tail grab. Frontside nose grind. Oh, that's all right. Makes a noise for Victor. That's his best run so far.
He's got two more.
This guy qualified number 5. I love his style. I love it. Look how high that 540 is. Big high moves like that. Backside ollie, no grab. Beautiful style. This kid's style is so amazing. Look at that. That's the trick he fell on before. Body barrel around the world. Beautiful frontside 5-0 right there. The smooth style is what got him at number 5. But look at that, kicking a foot off on a judo 3. Pinky to pinky 540. And then the half cab. And that's gonna be time right there. Make some noise.
Yeah, Izuru. Killing it. Yeah, Izuru.
Wow. That's the run he came to do. One more time, makes a noise for Izuru. Nagahara. That's one of the best runs he's done all weekend long. It all came together.
Haut calibre.
That's why it's so good to have a big roll in so you can start out with that speed.
On le voit dans la qualité des trucs, en amplitude, dans le style très décontracté de Izuru. Bref, on continue encore avec un autre japonais.
Live scoring going on right now. Judge trying to put it in. We have a big screen up there too. The guys can see the rankings. JD, you got fans up on the ramp.
Dude, I got fans everywhere, brother.
I love it.
I just take JD Sanchez fan and I say they're mine.
There you go, yeah. They were asking where JD was. It was actually, they were asking for you.
All right, Montreal. Up next, Soya Inomata.
Number 4 qualifier, just one spot outside the podium. Look at the amplitude on the 540, so high, huge on the heel flip Indy. That's why the judges put him in number 4, because he goes so high. Such difficult kickflip barrel over the 10-foot channel. Big stalefish 540 is so difficult to grab behind the back heel like that. Body barrel 540. Yeah, there's a stalefish 360. Oh, that was a stalefish 720. 3, 2, 1. That's time for Soya Inomata. Great, perfect 30-second run. Solid, yeah. Wow.